Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a black BMW, and paint job's okay right here, but look what's happening here. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but it's starting to spider web. That means if the clear coat's becoming brittle. These products are designed to bring the paint job back to a state where you can detail it again. This is a paint cleaner. I'm going to put some on right here. Okay. Remember, it's paint cleaner, not wax. It's designed to clean. Fold up a terry cloth towel in a tight square, and you just go back and forth. Okay. You don't have to rub hard with this. It's not a rubbing compound. It's a liquid chemical cleaner. You clean the same spot until it clears up. It removes the embedded contaminants. This stuff is sick. Now you guys can use a machine if you want. If you got questions, call us. But remember, this is for bringing back the paint that's horrible, that's in a destroyed state. It brings it back to the good remaining color and shine. Now this is a clear coat, so you won't see no color coming off. All I'm doing is cleaning it. Now you guys can use a machine. You guys can call us up if you have questions about that. Just check us out. There should be a number on this video somewhere. You can check us out. Anyways, I didn't remove the clear. I just cleaned the daylights out of it. Look how beautiful that came out. Can you see that? Okay, now something very important. I don't know how noisy it is out here, but this right here is horrible. Listen to it. You can hear it. Okay, that's because there's contaminants embedded in that paint job. Now what I just did right now is not wax. I cleaned it with the Lukat Fix It old paint cleaning polish. Now I'm gonna rub the same spot, but listen to this. You don't hear nothing over here. You can hear that because this is contaminated. This is what's eroding the paint, and here the clear coat's nice and shiny. Can you see the reflection? Do a close-up so they can see the reflection. You see the reflection of the glove? Yes or no? Okay, yeah. So this is beautiful, guys, but you do have to put some kind of protectant on there, okay? Because it's just 100% clean. This is why this works. It's not a wax. It removes old wax residue and stuff like that. Now this is a sealer. This is really good stuff. It's a two-step process, guys. If I use the cleaner and I don't use the sealer afterwards, I'm not doing the job. I mean, this sealer is amazing, okay? This stuff, when you put it on, it'll seem like the clear coat just soaks it up. Okay. Remember, this is paint restoration. We're not detailing brand new cars. This is a way to bring back that paint job that looks nasty, where the hood panel's starting to haze up, the roof in the trunk. I mean, what do? You gotta park in the back of the parking lot so no one will see it. Use this to bring it back. Use that to seal it. It's best to let this dry for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then you take it off because it works like a filler too. Now here's something really important that you want to get. Can you do a close-up so they can see the reflection? See how much shine and gloss is still on there? See, a lot of people, when their paint jobs are like this, they don't realize this is what it looks like when it's clean. That is a lot of color and a lot of shine still on there. So when you do this, you're done. Okay, this is not, if you wash this, it's not coming off because you didn't put a shine over it. You cleaned it. You removed the buildup. This is what it looks like when it's clean. So now that you brought it back, now you can detail it. There's a lot of good waxes out there. There's the pure carnubas, there's the synthetic polymers, and then those new ceramics and the hybrid ceramics. I mean, that's gonna work really good and protect it even longer. So this is what you use to bring it back. Now pan back so they can see. You know, this will probably take 20 minutes to 40 minutes to polish it by hand. If you know how to use a machine, you can polish it out. You don't want to use a DA polisher for this because it's cleaning. It's not like a finish. So rotary polisher. If you guys got questions, call us, man. I'm telling you, call us. I love talking to people. This stuff is amazing. It'll save you a lot of money. Okay, so please like and subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends about us. I mean, you can save thousands of dollars not having to repaint a car. This stuff is amazing. So I'll have another video on here that shows you how to do other things similar to this. So in the meantime, I guess we're done. Y'all have a good one. Later.